Wow, woolly here. You know, if I'm not filing trees into the wind, I'm recording straight into the sun. Do you know? Guys, Frankensaw's back. Hopefully, this is going to be its first run. I got this tree here. This one. I want to take it down. It wants to go this way, so I'm going to put it this way and see if I can half the distance. Does that make sense? Not a bit. Right, let's get closer. Let's have a look. Stay tuned. Right, there is the tree. Everything is taking it this way, but I have a tree there that I don't want to crush, so I'm going to try and put it this way as much as possible, and hopefully it'll go sort of half and half. That is my cunning plan. You know what my cunning plans are like, guys. Timber! So what I've done is I've created space, so I can now drop this one the same way and this one the same way. Okay, so that is the basics of my cunning plan. Now all I need to do is tidy up. You know how much I love to tidy up. Let's get her done. Watch the screws. let's address the elephant in the room. Pat, I am as surprised as you that that actually fell over. What can I do? Next one. This one right here, same direction. Might get a little bit of a kickback off the stump, but I'll keep an eye out for that. Stay, Bruno. About to lose a screw. Good job, I noticed that. Hang on. Nice. Clean it up, get rid of it. Third one, same direction. I'll show you what I mean. The gap between the two trees, straight up there. Fingers out across though. Pat, I don't know what to say. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Yeah, that's what I wanted. Guys, the Frankensaw's back. Hang on, Wooly. Hang on. Listen, learn from your bloody mistakes. Take these off. Turn off the saw so people can hear you. No, never mind that. So I can actually hear what I'm saying. Guys, the Frankensaw is back. Seems to be okay. 3 trees down in a row. Nothing got hung up. I can say that now because they're all on the ground. And that's it. And that's it done. Guys, this is the first of many days felling that's going to have to happen down here at Red Branch. I got a lot of trees to come down that are just sort of in the way. So especially around just this area where we are here. Like, look, back of the cabin, so you can see anything on the red mark has already been marked for felling. That one's going to have to come down here because look, it's starting to lean. So guys, this is it. Forestry management, isn't that what you call it? Anywho, thanks for watching. Stay frosty.